Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. This instructional video provides a clear and structured explanation of how to copy and paste multiple rows in Microsoft Word accurately and effectively. Working with multiple rows in is a common requirement when editing tables, structured data, reports, forms, and academic or professional documents, and incorrect selection methods can result in formatting errors or misplaced content. Many users attempt to copy rows individually, which is insufficient, inefficient, and may disrupt table structure. This tutorial demonstrates reliable and standardized technique to select, copy, and paste multiple rows simultaneously while preserving formatting and alignment. So let's get started. We can see here our assignment for my college, and here the channel forum. Now here many row. Now I want to copy multiple rows at once. At first select the first row, click and drag on your mouse, it's simple. Then press and hold shift on our keyboard, then select another. Press and hold the control, not shift. You can see we select individual row easily. Now I copy that. Press Ctrl C on our keyboard, then paste the all line. Here the first line, second line, third line or fourth line. Now I copy again. Press the first row, then press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard, then select multiple rows. Then press copy, press Ctrl C and paste, press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now we can see we copy and paste multiple rows in Microsoft Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get many important and efficient video very soon. Thanks for watching.